In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for scheduling in our Monday.com work schedule tutorial. We'll explore how to leverage this powerful platform to organize and manage your team's workload effectively. To begin, let's look at setting up a new board. Once you're logged into Monday.com, navigate to the main dashboard. You'll see a blue button labeled Plus Add. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select New Board. This will create a blank canvas for you to start building your schedule. Choose a clear and descriptive name for your board, something that is easy for everyone on your team to recognize, like work schedule or team shifts. Now that we have a board set up, let's add some structure to it by including essential columns. First, we'll need a people column. This allows you to assign tasks or shifts to your team members, ensuring everyone knows what they are responsible for. Next, add a date column to mark specific due dates. This is crucial for deadline-driven projects and helps keep the team on track. Another helpful column is the timeline column, ideal for tracking start and end dates of tasks, making it perfect for planning projects or weekly shifts. Finally, include a status column. This is where you can indicate the progress of each task, whether it's scheduled, in progress, or done. With our board structure in place, it's time to start entering tasks. In Monday.com, each row represents an individual task or shift. For instance, you could have a row titled Installation Davao Airport and set its due date to September 20th. Assign this task to the relevant person, say Anna, using the people column. This layout provides clear visibility into who is doing what and when. Now, collaboration is key to any successful project, so let's talk about inviting your team. You can easily add team members to your board, granting them access to update statuses, mark shifts as complete, and leave comments or notes. This feature fosters seamless communication and ensures that everyone is working with the most up-to-date information available. Plus, the real-time nature of Monday.com's updates means that as soon as something changes, everyone is instantly on the same page. By following these steps, you'll be able to create a comprehensive and dynamic work schedule that not only keeps your team organized, but also engaged and informed. The flexibility and transparency that Monday.com offers make it a valuable tool for any team looking to enhance its scheduling capabilities. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more insights and tips, don't hesitate to subscribe and stay tuned for more content like this.